Hi, today in front of me ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open Play Store application, and then here in the search pool we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Now just let's open the app. Here let's click enable in settings, and then near green Apple keyboard we should tap once on the switcher and click twice here to OK. After that just go back and tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished and we can go, for example, here to the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and this keyboard is so close as the iPhone one, as the all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.